That was Cyrus on the beat, yo.
I'm grafting, yo, I'm grafting. I'm grafting, yo, I'm grafting. I'm grafting, yo, I'm grafting. Pull up to the side with my clothes I'm missing. Pull up to the side with my clothes I'm missing. Pull up to the side with my clothes I'm missing. Pull up to the side with my clothes I'm missing. Pull up to the side with my clothes I'm missing.
Here are some interesting facts. In mathematics, a periodic function is a function that repeats its values in regular intervals or periods. The most important examples are the trigonometric functions, which repeat over intervals of 2 pi radians, or just pi if it is tangent. You can see in sine, this is 1 period, and it ends on 2 pi. This is 2 periods, and it ends on negative 2 pi.
A function can either be even or odd. To be an odd function, it does not have symmetry along the y-axis. To be an even function, it has symmetry along the y-axis. For example, sine and tangent are odd. This is a sine graph, and it's not symmetrical along the y-axis. So, it's odd. Cosine is an even function. As you can see here, it is symmetrical along the y-axis. It's even.
To tell if a function is even, you must plug in negative x into x. And if the signs come out the same after doing all the work, then it's even. See how it's a negative 3x here and a negative 3x here? They're even.
Yeah! To tell if a function is odd, you do the same thing as even functions and plug in a negative x for x. And if the signs are not the same, see, it's not the same here, there's no negative here, then it's an odd.
Whoa!
Sine, cosine, and tangent are all based off of the unit circle. Interesting fact.
The 6 trig functions can also be used in real life. Here's an example of how sine graphs are applied to volume graphs. If the volume graph is quieter, then the amplitude won't be as high. But if the volume graph is louder, then the amplitude must be a lot higher. If the pitch of the graph is deeper, then the period would be a lot longer. But if the pitch of the graph is really high, then the period would be really, really short. Notice how all 4 of these graphs kind of look like the sine mother function.
In real life, cosine can be used to show electrical currents. This graph shows an electrical blow dryer. This axis represents hertz, and this axis represents time. As you can see, it is a cosine graph, and the amount of hertz fluctuates over time.
The tangent graph can also be used in real life. This is an example of a BEC, aka a battery illuminator circuit. Notice how it kind of looks like the tangent mother function. This line represents the voltage, and this axis represents the time. The voltage goes down as the time in minutes keeps going up.
Don't want a lot for math class. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the functions underneath Brandi V. I just want 10 for my own, more than you could ever know. I know my wish is big. All I want for Christmas is tree. Tree.